Hey, we're gonna take a look at test 00 or 01 or 1, whatever. Okay, for solar setup. So right now it's around 10 a.m. Neighbors have it on their side, and I just have this one on the floor mounted with stands. So let's see. What do I say? I'll give you the wattage. This is the third day of trying this. So let's see. I have it on. These are bunk beds, flats. So I just stick it in there, and then they're a little bit gaps in it so the sun could go through. And then this is bifacial. Let's see. Bifacial. Let's see. I do not have the wattage. See, the wattage is, let's see, it's around 300. Let me see, 360 watts. Okay, and then what else? I have it zip tied down. It is completely flat on the sun, and it is in winter times right now. So anything else? There's the shade. How bad it is. So let me see the cons. I think there's a lot of, so since it's winter right now, there's a lot of frost buildup, and then since it's flat, it doesn't run off the dirt, so it just stays on top. So that's a con of it. Pros, I'm not sure. You could get bifacial gain from some of the reflections, but we're gonna test that out in the other segments. Let me show you the wattages. Let's see. Okay, right now, if you get it, you're getting is panel EV1, 150. So around half-ish of it. Oh yeah, I didn't bring out the gun. Okay, let's see. I need a temperature checker. We'll probably do that tomorrow. It was a little warm when I just touched it. So let's see. Go to weekly. Yesterday we got 800, 850 watt hours. And then 2 days ago we got 827. So that's around the average. Let's see about the day. We are getting around, that's the beginning, it just barely started. And this January 30th. Here's January 30th. I do have a tree right there, which is getting blocked soon. So that is the problem with that car part. Can't get full sun with that. But that'll be a cool test to do also. And then also, let's go to the next day before, which is 29th. 29th was around there. So there's a marking. Okay, there's the chart. Next trial I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up that side. I don't know how to actually lower that side. I'm also trying something else regarding that part. So I'm going to just put bricks under that or something and then lift it up. So yeah, that's trial 1. Thanks for watching. See you guys.